I'm curious whether the cabin of this machine is hot. Let's see how sunny it will be. This innovative machine effortlessly loosens crops like carrots from the surrounding soil, making the laborious job a thing of the past when pulled behind a tractor. First, let's take a look at the Nipro K10, a green onion harvester with a powerful motor that efficiently harvests a large number of onions. The machine's design is also optimized to minimize user fatigue, especially during movement and operation. Take a look back at Fisher Farms with their big green AVR potato harvesting machine in action from last season. Take a look back at Fisher Farms with their big green AVR potato harvesting machine in action from last season. Today, this advanced robotic system excels in evaluating the quality and maturity of fruits and vegetables, revolutionizing the assessment process. When you watch people collecting perfect tea leaves in commercials, don't forget the hard work done by the machines behind the scenes. Cultivation harvesters have become crucial tools for farmers to boost productivity and enhance production efficiency. These machines replace manual labor, saving time and reducing fatigue for workers during the harvesting process. Machines are essential for harvesting 50 million tons of vegetables efficiently. Manual labor would be impractical. Here is another efficient method for harvesting fennel, the Benkin Ruler machine. Specially designed for fennel vegetables, this machine completes all stages with ease. It employs a cutting and grading system to remove small leaves and tubers. Equipped with a unit comprising a cutting rod, cutting shaft, scraper, screening system, diverter, and collector, the machine operates on wheels, moving effortlessly through the field. Powered by a motor, it harvests fennel quickly and efficiently. The Benkin Ruler has significantly reduced farmers' workload and addressed labor shortages, particularly in regions like Europe. Its presence in the agricultural industry has brought numerous benefits, meeting the increasing demand for fennel vegetable production. On a smaller scale, we can remove weeds by hand during harvest, but on a larger scale, farmers use machines and technology to control weeds efficiently. Harvesters have a tunnel through the center, enabling them to drive through olive groves with trees and bushes passing through effortlessly. Harvesters have a tunnel through the center, enabling them to drive through olive groves with trees and bushes passing through effortlessly. Ensuring the optimal growth of tulips requires proper care and attention throughout the year.
In the fall and winter, timely fertilization is crucial to provide the necessary nutrients for the tulip bulbs to develop. As the cold months pass, the tulip plants remain underground, preparing for their eventual bloom in the spring. Once spring arrives, the magic of the tulip season begins. By early April, the tulip fields burst with vibrant colors as the beautiful tulip flowers bloom. This spectacle attracts tourists from all corners of the globe, eager to witness the breathtaking beauty of the tulip fields in full bloom. The peak blooming season lasts from mid-April to the end of May, creating a mesmerizing landscape that captivates the senses. To ensure that the energy and nutrients are channeled into the bulb rather than the flower, tulips are carefully cut shortly after they bloom. In larger fields, this process is carried out by machines, while smaller tulips require gentle, manual attention. The cut flowers are thoughtfully left on the ground, serving as a natural and beneficial form of fertilizer, nourishing the soil and future growth. Overall, the meticulously planned and nurtured tulip fields in the Netherlands offer a sight to behold, attracting admirers and visitors who come to immerse themselves in the enchanting beauty of these iconic flowers during this splendid spring season.
It is a popular choice on busy farms around the world, where the initial investment of several $100,000 is affordable.
You've probably seen modern broccoli harvesting machines or lines, but have you ever witnessed a fully automatic harvester like the RoboVeg RV1? It's a British-designed machine by GS Fresh capable of harvesting up to 2,400 broccoli per hour. This state-of-the-art device uses sensors and a computer system to gather information about each broccoli's location, size, and shape in the field, enabling it to adjust and harvest quickly and accurately. The RoboVeg RV1 is a game-changer for the UK farming industry, addressing labor shortages and reducing reliance on manual labor, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Different rotating mechanisms are utilized to provide crops with the essential light and nutrients they need for growth, ensuring uniform development and increased yield. The excavator handles water plants more effectively than I handle noodles. Despite its resemblance to a car wash brush, this tool is remarkably efficient at picking apples. The concept of vertical farming has gained popularity since its introduction in its current form in 1999. The system can adjust widths as needed and turns up meters, separating the plants as they're driven over the field. Introducing the Wartel Roar, a state-of-the-art equipment designed to optimize carrot harvesting. It features an adjustable cutting height, ensuring precise harvesting of only carrots, reducing losses and waste. Equipped with a dedicated system, the machine efficiently collects and stores the harvested carrots, making packing easier for farmers. This innovative tool is truly one of the coolest in the industry.